Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Bare Act. Begin by mapping the act. Note chapters, parts, and section numbers so you know where topics lie. Read section headings and index entries to build a mental map. Create a simple outline that links definitions to penalties and procedures. This structure helps you find material fast and reduces rereading, making deep study far more efficient and less stressful. Skim each section, then read actively with a pen. Paraphrase clauses and jot short examples beside definitions. Stop after each provision and explain it aloud or in writing to test understanding. Use consistent symbols for penalties, exceptions, and procedures so you spot patterns. Convert long sentences into bullet points and link them to related sections. This active approach turns passive reading into durable memory and practical knowledge. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your study commute smelling great and wake up your focus with a nostalgic scent. It's a small treat for long revision sessions and fits easily in any bag or car vent. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After reading, apply what you learned to practice questions and hypothetical facts to see how sections operate. Draft answers citing specific section numbers and short rationale lines so you build citation habits. Use spaced repetition with flashcards for tricky definitions and exceptions. Teaching a peer or recording explanations helps highlight gaps and solidifies understanding. Regularly revisit weak areas and update your outline as your comprehension deepens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.